for the PNP to talk about the Women's Month. We're done with the fun walk, absent ako sa ito, for the Fire Protection Month. And for this month, it's Women's Month, tama? Gender, sa DSWD and in the banner. So this month is also Women's Month. Any more announcement from other offices? Wala man? PNP, ikaw kitang announcement, madam?
Good morning po sa lahat. Maligayang buwan po ng mga kababaihan. Sabihin niyo po sa katabi niyong mga babae, maligayang buwan ng mga kababaihan. Okay. So, ang celebration po ng Women's Month is from March 1 to 31. Last March 1 po, coincided with the kick-off ceremony of sa Fire Prevention Month. Sinabay po namin yung kick-off din ng sa Women's Month. And this coming to an available personnel of LGU, if you want to join us, the PNP, and together with the advisory group of the PNP, we will be having mangrove planting sa kay Takbugan po on March 8 morning po. So that's all po. And baka po ang sa DSWD, kung mayroon po silang activity or plans for this month, you can coordinate po sa amin kung ano po ang pwede maging participation ng PNP for your activity. That's all, and good morning.
Thank you, Madam Chief, the active Chief D-Max. Any more from the other departments? Okay, we have from the health. Feel na naman ito. I-announce naman yan kay Intra sa LGU.
Maayun po sa akin na tanan. Sa March 1 po, nag-launch actually kami sa Mabini sa among Philippine Risk Assessment Implementation. Ini po, inhimo namin para sa mga individuals 20 years old and above to be assessed para sa kung iguasin CVD or yung mga cardiovascular diseases or diabetes mellitus. Para po maagapan and kung igumansin mga symptoms na i-manifest sa the individual, at least maatapan po. Dili na kita magabot sa doon na automatic atake. So, ma-set up po kami possible niyan sinusad na booth din sa LGU para tanan po na empleyado sa LGU ma-risk assess na. Pero sa mga barangay po, igwa na po ang tanan na health workers po na-assign. Nag-start na kami sa March 1 para maglihos balay-balay. As in, per household talaga. So, aman lang po. Expect na lang po niyo na base mo yung health workers niya. Salamat.
Opo, thank you. Okay, and kay chat ako sa ni Doc Jeloville, kad ni Doc Bob June. Now, we are all required, kay if you would remember, ito po na mga nag-CSC orientation, we asked for the annual check-up. This is the answer. Ma-risk assessment na lang kita, tanan na LGU employees. So, pwede po magkadi sa inda kung makaset up na sila din booth. Make sure lang po na may mabibilin sa opisina. Siguro 50%, makadi. Then balik naman ng 50% sa opisina. Tanan po kita required magpa-risk assessment. That is, amo naman ina-inform sa natin annual check-up. That's free na. Also, last CSR orientation, we had committees na. So, ito na ba yung 50 na nag-orientation sa civil service last Monday. Damo na sila na alaman about how do we go about being primed. Prime HRM na po ang atong goal. Kaya syempre, puro na automation, damo na kitang ginahimo. Actually, damo na kitang ginahimo. Di lang nato na report, di lang nato na document. Dapat ato na kita sana na medyo nasa taas na level pa. So, let me announce again, for the Prime HRM and selection and first committee that is placement selection, recruitment placement and selection, that is under my committee, HR. For the learning and development, that is under the committee ni Engineer John Mark. For rewards and recognition, that is under sa committee ni Ma'am Ruby Magbalon. No budget Magbalon, kaya po niya na mag-budget. Kaya po na daw niya mag-step increment. Parang magpakat kita, step increment na. Tapos, the other one, ang committee on performance management, that is under Crisologo Almoite. So, we are all expecting na talagang proseso na po ang ating susundod. Tunay na proseso on how we assess our performances, how we give rewards and recognition. Next week siguro mabatog na kami pag rewards and recognition on the spot, earliest na mag-log in. Pero sa mga street sweeper, kay maaga pa nagla-log in. And also, performance management, learning and development. We will be giving you training needs analysis. Kung ano, kay we are all required to at least one training intervention from the Civil Service Commission. Required na sa tanan na empleyado. So that's a good news para sa ato na tanan na din nakahali. But again, subject to availability of funds. Pero nasa pag-restoryahan na lang susunod sa opisina. So with that, Ma'am Vice, words of inspiration for this week. Ang ato para sa fiesta.
Good morning, everyone. Isang ngiti naman yan. Okay. Actually, from this time, it's almost 2 months. Wala na galing 2 months, we are going to celebrate our town fiesta. So, everybody is enjoying to participate in whatever activities and programs that will be undertaken in relation to the town fiesta activity. So kita po tanan, magpuruli gayod, lalo na ito ng mga, kita kayo tanan, dilisin usad lang or duha kay, syempre we have some visitors. So this afternoon, I would like to remind the members and committee duties. We are going to have meeting at 3 o'clock at Bamboo Place. So, ito po may gusto ikabot, then we are also going to remind for the solicitation, those who already distributed the solicitation letter, please try to remind if they can pay before the deadline, March 30. So, amo lang po ina, good morning and have a happy working days.
Thank you so much, Madam Vice. So, good morning, everyone. So let's now go back to our respective offices. Let's all be productive, efficient, effective government workers.